In this video, you will learn how to create menu bar in WordPress. So, welcome to my channel Learn with Tajinder. So, today we are discuss menu bar how to create. So, you can see here menu, or we will show you there are no any menu bar. So, now we are creating new menu bar. So, first you need to appearance and go to menu. When you click, then this page will open, and now you need to add menu shortcut like a main menu, and we can use top menu, main menu, and etc. as you want. So just click here, create new, and you will see menu bar is created. Now we need to add pages which we need to add in menu bar. So you can check here most recently pages here, view all pages. We have only 3 pages in here. So we can select these 3 pages and click to add menu. You will see it will come here automatically. You will see here is come here about home, about sample page. So now we need to save it. So don't forget to click here if you want to location in front end, because it is not coming in front end. So we need to click here, then it will show in your front end. Let's we update it, and menu bar has been updated. So now we can refresh here, and you will see here automatically show here menu home page, about us page, and sample page. So this is how you can create. If you want to use a sub page, then you just need to drag and drop it just like this, and we click here to save again, and go to front page, refresh, and see, you will see it automatically is coming about sample page in top menu. You will see. If you want to start more mega menu like this, then you will add here. Just need to drag and drop. That's it. That's not very easy tough. You can just click to same menu and refresh it, and you will see is all pages in top menu. So we will update it in front page. Refresh it, and you will see a hand. So in this video you will learn how to create in menu bar in WordPress. Hope it will helpful you. So if you any question about this, you can comment me below, and hope it like this video and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And next video I will show you how you can set up your home page. Thanks for watching.